Hey Stewie, I'm studying for my finals, but ChatGPT doesn't let me use ChatGPT 4 after 6 paragraphs.
I got you, Chris. Before we continue on, I want to clarify that I don't condone piracy and don't want to spread it. Now let's start. If you're on Android, install any browser that can use extensions like Kiwi Browser or Mull and install the Tamper Monkey or Violet Monkey extension. Do the same on your preferred browser on PC. Then go to the link in description and install the user script. If you get a pop-up saying no user script manager detected, click on I already have a user script manager, let me install it. You'll see this if it successfully installs. After that, go to the web browser version of ChatGPT and log in. You should see a blue button saying jailbreak or a red ChatGPT logo in the right corner, and just click on it, and you can ask things that ChatGPT normally can't respond to, and you get free ChatGPT 4 too. Now don't worry, thanks to Piracy Peter, we have a method for you guys too. First, go to the App Store and install Stay for Safari. Then follow the process to enable and go to the link in the description and install the user script. In the bottom right corner, you should see a purple S logo with the text saying Install. If you don't have that, you have to click on your extension. And make sure that Stray has access to the web page, and then this should pop up and it should say Activated. You should see a blue button saying Jailbreak or a red ChatGPT logo in the right corner and just click on it. The halal method is to use Copilot from Microsoft, since it gives the premium ChatGPT models for free as well as unlimited uploads. Stay safe pirating!